Tamenglong district ki manungda proposed wildlife sanctuary ahum Jiri Makru Wildlife Sanctuary, Jailat Wildlife Sanctuary amadi Buning Wildlife Sanctuary na sokpa landowner amadi khunsing na wildlife sanctuary asibu pamdaba phongdokpa hengalakli 1997 aduwaidagi notification thokiba wildlife sanctuary ahum adu indigenous tribal gi landowner singi right pu thausabi khide aduga makhoi gi consent lauduna process tawkhiba wildlife sanctuary nate haiduna yaningdaba phongdokpa yamkhalakli Khangjinba yai Tamenglong district ki manungda wildlife sanctuary ahum leiba asida Jiri Makru wildlife sanctuary na cover toba area isi 198 square kilometer ni aduga eco sensitive zone haibadi buffer zone na 256 square kilometer ni Buning Wildlife Sanctuary na cover toba area asina 115.8 square kilometer ni aduga eco sensitive zone na lam cover toba asi 233.5 square kilometer ni aduga Jailat Wildlife Sanctuary na cover toba lam area asi 21 square kilometer ni adubu eco sensitive zone gi area di 235 square kilometer oiri hiram asida Jiri Makru Wildlife Sanctuary Buning Wildlife Sanctuary Jailat Wildlife Sanctuary na sokpa khunsing na semba committee civil society organization amadi women wing sing na 12 May 2025 da emergency meeting ama phamki meeting aduda lakadoriba May 23, 2025 numit asida tentative date oina Tamenglong district ki manungda wildlife sanctuary reserve forest protected forest amadi wild exploration mayam asi indigenous tribal singi ayaba yauduna chathaba yaroi haibagi kholauda mass rally ama chatnabasu warep lokhi Wildlife Sanctuary proposed tauriba sing asibu yaningdaba furup kaya punsinduna semkhiba Joint Coordinating Committee na luchingduna mass rally adu pangthoknaba honari Wildlife Sanctuary asibu yaningdaba phongdoktuna Jailat Wildlife Sanctuary Affected Villages Committee gi co-convener Ramnulong Rongmaina asomna phongdorakli
Core zone da landowners tara hena lai landowners ahum nadi NOC pithokre adu wersu landowners ayambana di Jalat Wildlife Sanctuary se yade haina lepsabani aduga 2016 gi gazette ta mention tawba sa singdusu ayambadi akhoi gi jaga da phangdabni extinct tawgadaba natraga rare oiba wild animal bu akhoina locally oina preserve tawbani government yaudrasu akhoina preserve tawbani haibse government nasu haijaningi
Ngarang 15 May International Day for Biological Diversity 2025 ki numita Tamenglong Forest Division Government of Manipur na sinduna on-spot painting competition Trinity Public School Tamenglong headquarter da chathakre painting competition aduda Tamenglong District headquarter da leiba School sing class 9 dagi 12 hauba gi mahairoi kontra henbana saruk yabikhi painting competition adu harmony with nature and sustainable development haiba theme da pangthokhi district level on spot painting competition aduda Trinity Public School gi mahairoi Wangzeliu Pamai class 11 na first taki second na Trinity Public School dagi Withwiliu Moita class 10 na lokhi aduga third prize na Holy Kingdom School class 9 gi satra Gariaksoi Riamaina lokhi